Here we will discuss how to find trigonometric ratios of angles. Here you can add any of the angles you want to find ratios of. Select the corresponding cell and type equals sign brackets radians bracket the cell that contains the angle and bracket off. And hit enter. Now move cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. When cursor changes to the plus, click and drag down. In the same way you find the other ratios as follow. If you have any questions related to video, let me know in the comments section. I'll help you. And if you want to watch the more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.